Hello, here's the one team working for Tuesday the 8th of June. So in terms of news, we are celebrating staff success. Many congratulations to our amazing one team members for all the various achievements that we've listed below. This represents a significant amount of hard work, time and dedication in developing their professional careers, so a very well done to all of you. In terms of qualification completions, there's a list of names here, so well done all of you on completing your qualifications, which for some of you would have taken a significant amount of time to do in your spare time. And here's Louise, who shares her experience of doing her level 5 health and social care qualification, and also how this has helped her in her career progression.
So I started my level 5 in October 2019 and I just finished it at the end of May. So it's just over 2 years really. But yeah, it was a really good experience. It's quite, intense, but really good. Lots of learning in it. So it was my level 5 in health and social care, leadership in health and social care, advanced practice. So it's basically the qualification that, you need in order to become a registered manager. I was an assistant manager when I did it, and I've always been one to want to progress, and I obviously had registered manager in my mind, and I knew that it's something that, as a registered manager, you'd be expected to complete. So I thought, we'll get on top of it now, and then it's done. So I did it. If people are thinking about doing it, then go for it, because you'll just get endless amounts of knowledge and it'll help towards progression. And yeah, no, it's good. That's all I can say.
So well done again to everyone here listed who have been awarded their care certificates. Good job. And secondment success. Congratulations to L&D partner Michael for successfully passing his secondment, and also to Holly, who has been offered an L&D partner secondment as well. And here's Michael talking about his secondment process and why you can also follow your aspirations.
I joined the company in 2018 as a PBS partner, and I worked in almost all the homes pretty much. L&D is something that I always kind of wanted to go into for a long time, even before I started home from home care. So it's great to be given the opportunity to do that secondment, and yeah, here I am. It's great. In my one-to-ones, I often talked about delivering more training. Then the opportunity came up to do full-time L&D, so I moved into that, which is fantastic. So it was from November until just last month, May. So it was a full 6 months. And during that time, I've been delivering all kinds of things, nearly everything actually, which is brilliant. I would say if it's something that somebody wants to do, have a go. Really, really throw into it, because this is an opportunity that will be brilliant for your development. And just, there's loads of success across the company of people who have taken part in secondments and been successful. And at the end of the day, this is for you to try. And if it doesn't work out for you, that's fine. That's fine. There will always be more opportunities along the road. So if it's something you want to do, I say try it, give it a go.
And in case you missed Good News Friday, here's Paul sharing some more fantastic Friday news relating to pay rate and extra holidays. So definitely one to watch.
Hi everyone, it's Good News Friday again, and this week we're focusing on assistant managers. Right, assistant managers, we know very well that you take home all of your sort of thinking and everything. You never quite get away from the day-to-day, although we encourage you to do it. So, in recognition of that, and in recognition of our whole sort of model changing, you will receive each year an extra bonus of £500, which will be divided by 52 weeks and will be paid to you. And that's irrespective of the number of hours you work. So you, as assistant managers level 1, you will get an extra £500 a year. AM2s, it gets better. You get an extra bonus of £750. So that will again be £750 divided by, actually I'm divided by 12, because obviously it's paid monthly. Likewise with the AM1s. AM3s, well, you're in the limelight as well, because you're going to get £1,000. So I think that basically that makes a lot of difference to you guys. And I'm delighted that we can do it, because we do understand the added responsibilities that go with it. So AM1s, you're getting £500 a year more. AM2s, you're getting £750. AM3s, £1,000. Okay, now this affects everybody. If you have been with us for 2 years, right, 2 years or more, you are going to now be, as of the 1st of June, you will be entitled to 1 extra day's worth of holiday going forward. If you've been with us for 5 years, that 1 day turns into 2 days of extra holiday a year going forwards. And for those of you who've been with us for 10 years, you are entitled to an extra 3 days of holiday a year. And that's to really say that we want to really acknowledge that whole loyalty thing of working with us and so on for so long. And by the way, all of these are only related to operations roles within the homes, because obviously other staff get different holiday rates. So if you've been with us for 2 years, you get 1 extra day going forward. When you hit 5 years, that goes to 2 extra days. And when you hit 10 years, you go to 3 days. Now, what we are also saying is, instead of taking those days, those extra days, if you wish, we will actually pay you the equivalent of those days if that's what you want. All of this is effective from the 1st of June. Good News Friday, delighted to be able to bring this along, and thank you all so much. We know it's not as easy as we'd like it to be. We've had massive levels of annual leave this month, really high levels of annual leave, which is obviously pent up annual leave, which couldn't be taken before. So that's impacted us a little bit. And I know that we have 30 new starters within Home from Home Care, and we have 20 new starters within Aged Care, and we've got more starters coming on, and we've got all of these new programs. It's very, very exciting. Watch this space, and over the next 6 months, everything is going to get really great. So thank you very much from myself, Hugo, and Anne. You're doing a fantastic job. Have a great one. All the best.
And Alex Fenn here explains all the new shift pattern options. If you missed this when we talked about it last week, you can find. This is where you can fit your shifts around your lifestyle. So here's Alex explaining the options. It's being rolled out on a home by home basis. You'll be notified, and you'll receive clickets when it's your home's turn.
Hi, just want to give you an update around the new shift patterns for one team working. So what we're trying to do is fit a rota around your lifestyle. We'll be rolling out and trialing it per service first, and it'll be with the reads. You'll have a click it when it's available for you to be able to select these options. So we're going to have a few options to go through. Option 1 would be to stay how your rota is at the moment, and that would be a mix of earlies and lates, making sure that you have 1 long day a week and working every other weekend. Option 2 would be free on and free off, so working 3 long days consecutively but then having 3 days off together. So option 3 would be the continental shifts, which is 2-week rolling rota, which would be Monday, Thursday and Friday, and the following week would be Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday and Sunday. We're also going to be rolling this out for nights, with option 1 being it has to stay as you are, which would be a 2-week rolling rota, which is Monday, Tuesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and week 2 being Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Option 2 would be to have 3 on and 3 off, again consecutively 3 nights in a row and then taking 3 off. And option 3 would be the same but with 4 on and 4 off. Real.
And here Sam Morris explains the new one-to-one form and how this will benefit you in your role. And don't forget, there is more information on the wiki. So if you need any more details about how to fill out your one-to-one form, go to wiki, and there's videos and tutorials on there.
Okay, so the new one-to-one form is now live, so you may well have noticed that there is a rating system at the top of your form, and that is for you to rate yourself as to how you're performing within the 5 sections. So from a staff member's perspective, and from me when I'm filling out my form, that is my view, my perception of how I am doing within each of those fields. And use that, but back that up with conversation. Don't just say that you believe you are a 5 for reliability and leave it at number 5. Tell me, or tell your line manager why you believe you are a number 5. But tell us and justify your scoring throughout your one-to-one. From a line manager's perspective, the information that pulls through onto the completed form above the agenda is to help guide and give direction to the conversation. All of the sections are fairly self-explanatory, but it is led by the agenda. So you'll see that on top of the rating system, there are little notes and prompts and hints of areas to focus on. But it is your own perception. How do you feel you are doing within those sections?
Please don't forget, we need your Mexican wave videos. So please send them to us. We look forward to seeing all of them. And here are just a couple from the Social Care Exchange and the Wales office who did theirs.
We're going to do our own
company-wide Mexican wave. So we're looking forward to everybody sending in some Mexican wave footage. We want everyone involved so we can create one big Mexican wave. So we'll see you really soon, and we can't wait to see everyone's wave.
Go!
How are you doing it for the vlogs?
And Kyle has been designing his own goalkeeper gloves. Have you enjoyed the activity pack for football yet? Please do share with us your videos and your photos. Euro 2021 starts this weekend. So yeah, get your football kits on, get your boots on, get the footballs out, enjoy this weather, and have a kickabout.
Hi everyone, so to kick off Euro 2021, the activities theme chosen this month by Day Ops, we'll be sending a selection of football themed activities your way. There'll be footballs and cones to set up your own dribbling challenges, passing and control games, and you'll also get to design your own goalkeeper gloves. Hopefully you'll be better than us here at the Social Care Exchange. He would definitely be sent off. And don't forget to take lots of photos and videos of the activities and upload to the daily diaries using the tag SCE Activity Pack.
And then here are some photos of what else has been going on over the weekend. Thanks everyone, see you again next time.